welcome back to Grace's Stories. So today, Manita, stop it! so today, I'm gonna be showing you this. So today, I am going to be showing you a bubblegum science. Yeah, let's get started. But before we start, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe. So let's get started. This is the bubblegum slime. Let me try to make a bubble, guys. Like, I had to make the video again because this one got hair stuck in my hair.
You guys, you know what drives me crazy?
Oh man, I can't make a bubble. It's so hard because. Oh, hallelujah. Nope. Okay. Oh wait.
Why am I responsible for getting every gift for everyone in my entire family? I mean, just because I was.
Okay. So I am going to be making a swirl. I'm gonna try real hard, guys.
I didn't like his mom. She blames her farts on my kids.
Okay, guys.
Just go into his room, grab a bunch of random crap, wrap it up, give it to him on Christmas. He doesn't even notice.
Oh my gosh, I don't even know. Yeah, get his things and like just wrap it.
No, she gets this from his room and the wraps it up and then gives her
Every
his.
November, I just go into his room, grab a bunch of random crap, wrap it up, give it to him on Christmas. He doesn't even notice. Seriously? Oh my god, I've given him the same baseball glove like 9 times.
Wait, how late were the gifts that
Oh my gosh, guys, I literally can't make a swirl. Maybe because this is stupid.
All I ever get is coupons for free back rubs.
Oh, that's so wrong. You know what my son gave me last year for Christmas? A box of Ziploc baggies. I think I'll probably just wrap it up and give it back to him again this Christmas. Yes, I'm just like a giant stress ball from November.
Oh my gosh. Guys, comment down below, how do you make swirls? Because I'm literally so bad at it. Like, literally. So, yeah.
Guys, what's wrong with us? Have we learned nothing? This is bullshit. I'm disappointed in this threesome. We are
I don't care.
and if things
I'm just
stop
gonna
going our
put it
way,
like that. I'm like, so now I'm gonna put some holy
We had him battery.
that I picked out.
we stand up and we fight back.
Even if this is just such a big blob. So instead of a swirl, I'm just gonna make I don't know. Someone's gonna be Easter, so I'm just gonna make a ball. This is really fluffy, guys. Like literally. Ugh, bro. Oh. Yes.
You hear them?
Huh?
Like, let's put ass back in Christmas. Look.
Our way this year? Then we're gonna do Christmas our way.
No more perfect gifts, no more perfect decorations, no more perfect anything. Fuck it. Let's take Christmas back.
Let's put the ass back at Christmas.
Oh my god, you are so cringy. Okay. So now it's all foamy. Now let me try to open this purple glitter. Oh my god. I'm trying to open this. Guys, wait, guys. Okay, I'm back, guys, and I'm gonna put this blue glitter. It's like, whoa, that looks so pretty. Now, as you can see, it is like mostly pink with blue glitter. So, yeah. It looks so wow. I'm not gonna try to go fast or else the beads will get out. Like literally get out. So yeah. And that is my video. I just like to put random things in the perfect slime. So yeah guys. So yeah, you should try. So just get random stuff and put in your slime. Now this slime.
This is the tree.
And there we go. Bye guys. This was a boring video, but I just wanted to make a video because I was bored. So yeah, like it really much. It feels so crunchy. So bye guys. Subscribe and comment below. What should I do next? So yeah, bye guys. Oh, my hair? No, not again.